What's up, people? Had to do some work today on this clean ass Delta. Y'all check this out.
But we make good money. We make dope boy money, man. Yeah. Let me see your life, baby.
Yeah, he clean. Hell yeah, boy.
That nigga daddy had a white saber.
That motherfucker sound good.
Let me tell you how much that nigga love his daddy. His daddy had a white saber.
Yeah. Yeah. Boy, got that pop. Yeah, I smelled gas too when he had that first song.
That's my second one.
Gas ain't?
Put that plastic
Oh yeah, you gotta let me put the plastic on there.
Put the plastic on there.
Yeah, I got
That's
you.
the second one I done put on there.
Yeah, we need to put the plastic. It's leaking? Yeah, I smelled it earlier.
Popped on the top.
I don't see none up under there, but I
Popped it on
smelled
the
it.
top of that bitch. Like
God.
that fuel spinning unit that go in there.
Yeah, it be popping it. Ooh wee. Yeah, boy, this motherfucker clean, boy. Yes, sir. Man, this motherfucker clean, man. Man, this boy clean, man.
He showed you a picture with the swings on it.
I can imagine. I ain't even got to see it with the wheels on it. I got a vision. I can see it right now. I'm looking at them hubcaps and I see them sticking out. I got a vision for this here. Yeah, he clean, y'all. He clean. Nice, neat, and clean. Nice, neat. Hey, I ain't seen one of them twisted grills in so long, boy. Man, look at that grill, y'all, them old twisted balls. Yeah. Yeah, he clean. Hey, when you put the wheels on it and come back down here, pass back through here. We gonna let him see it. We gonna let him see it all the way.
Hey, you know Stupid Tim?
Hell yeah.
He still around the corner?
Nah, he down there. His brother down there. He be coming down there. You know, I think they be putting up them video cameras and stuff.
Yeah, hey, you know Stupid Tim?
Man, he clean, y'all. He clean. And what this is? This brandy over Galaxy?
Nah, brandy wine.
But what is over? Cause I know that. Oh yeah, okay. I see that look. Hey, now cause look, when Enrique pulled up, I was looking at yours and looking at his. You darker than him. See, I think you more like quiet than him.
I'm darker than quiet.
Oh, you darker than quiet. Okay. Hey, I see that look you gave me, so I ain't gonna ask you your secret. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Hey, this whole clean though, boy. I like this motherfucker. Yes, sir. We out.